We want to build a powerful electric bike from junk and scrap metals. And we have found a completely broken washing machine for this. Its brains are burned. He means the control card. That's true, though it still has a working motor. But first we need to disassemble this washing machine to get its motor. I know the way, it will not take us much time. The only thing we need is the universal tool of all times. And now we're connecting it here to the washing machine. Next I just close it tightly. Then I connect 220 volt to the motor directly. This way we'll make it start spinning at once. Then I plug it in. As you can see, everything is ready and the wires are connected. Now we'll plug it in and that's it. Let's test it. Did you hear that? Oh my gosh! It is coming for us! It has plugged out itself, so you guys saw it yourself. This machine has gone mad. I couldn't imagine that would be this hard. We have got an advice from our subscriber. He said that adding some powder inside will make the disassembling faster. The cylinder took some damage. I don't get how this thing is working inside. I just threw it. It looks like, you know, I feel like I'm doing something stupid just a little. Let's pour it there and there. Some salt, some pepper. Ready? Filming? Yeah. I hope it's still alive. Bell. There it is. Sounds like an alarm signal. So what do you say, Alex? Is it possible to disassemble this even more this way? Maybe if we attach the bell back and let it spin, it's gonna mow your lawn. So accidentally we made a lawn mower. Look, there's some part. What is that? There are some condensers inside. What is that? Maybe it's a pump or... no way. Well, there was a rain of washing machine inside. And this is the control card, the brain of the washing machine. There are the initials, Железнякura. He is the owner. Have you seen that? Maybe he is the one who fixed it. There came a weird thing, and I think that is the valve. And there's another brick that flew out of it. We didn't place it here, I swear. It was inside. Just look at it. There are the absorbers. Oh, they're so cool. And still warm, fancy that. And there I see a plastic piece. The other one is intact. There's the second absorber, take a look here. See that? It goes so smoothly. This one is okay. Nextly, some pump flew out of it. Anyone need that? Maybe we can make a small water cannon? I think now you understand what power these washing machines have inside. It was dancing like mad. We're going to make a super bike out of this motor. Subscribe not to miss that. Yeah! Smash like, subscribe, and now we're going there to make it. The beast bike from a washing machine.